Welcome to the Deal Manager Pro Marketing and Mail Center. This video is a simple walkthrough of the features you can find while using the system. The trending now will be templates that are most popular templates used by Deal Manager Pro members. In the Print Center, there are various types of templates to choose from. The center is separated into categories and subcategories for easy viewing of the current and available templates. There are hundreds of templates to choose from. You can easily add any of the templates to your favorites with a simple click. Under Contacts, you can upload your CSV file easily in the Mail Center Upload Wizard. You can also use the List Finder tool to start building your specific data list for marketing through the mail system. You can see that the Motivated Seller List Builder is a few clicks away. Watch the video here on how to start building your list. The Photo Gallery is for uploading your own photos. The Pricing tab will show you the calculator feature to estimate the total pricing for any mail campaign you were thinking of sending out. You have many choices to send out your campaign just by choosing the different options. The Custom Template is a great feature with the Mail Center. If you feel the necessary templates are not available, you can create your own template at any time. We hope you enjoy the Deal Manager Pro Marketing and Mail Center. If you need help at any time, the Help Desk can walk you through anything related to the Mail Center.